So yo, YouTube, man, we got a couple mods that we finna do. Right now, what I'm finna do is go to the exhaust shop and get these quad tips put on. I'm finna show y'all the quad tips in a minute. Y'all see, man, some black quad tips are what we finna put on. Now, for this big decal that y'all also gonna see, I just paid like $700 for it in total with the shipping, the decal printed, the decal design, and all that. Whichever it's a custom decal. Y'all, honestly, if they charge too much to put these quad tips on, I'm gonna wait because that's just too much money being dropped at once. And I got these other mods I got to get put on. So yeah, the quad tips I feel is something they can wait. I already got them. They can wait sooner or later. But the decal is something I really need for this Christmas photo shoot. So I guess we'll see y'all at the exhaust shop. Alright y'all, so here goes the tilts. We need a wash really, but let me know if y'all like them or not. So man, y'all can see, man, we got us a couple mods right here and we got much more coming. But like I said, man, we just got these tips on. What we're finna do is go ahead and try to put this diffuser on. After we put the diffuser on, I'm gonna wait for my homeboy to come and help me put the Wickerbill on. As y'all know, my mama had a little collision in my car, which knocked my wide body place out of flare. Which knocked my wide body flare out of place and knocked off my front splitter. So we also went on ahead and got another front splitter. But I promise you, bro, if this one fall off, that is the last front splitter I will be buying. Then once we get all that on, man, what we're gonna do is just finish it off with a wash. Honestly, man, my car is dirty. It needs a wash. So as we get all these mods on, we're gonna finish off with a wash. But we is not done because after that, y'all, we're gonna have the grand finale. We're gonna put us another little wrap sticker on. It's gonna say exotic Trelly on the side. Alright, so we got the diffuser right here. As y'all can see, this bitch so glossy black. It look like it's just these clips right here. They're gonna hold it in like some bolts or something right there. Now you gotta take them off. Yeah, so we're gonna bolt in right here, y'all, like simple. As y'all can see these clips right here. So this is gonna be a simple mod. Man, so hey, yo, we on boy tight, but y'all see, man, I got these clips on. Just using clip popper too. Alright, man, so y'all see, man, we got the diffuser on. Look, it's not flush like y'all see it got. It's not 100% flush, but it's on there. You know what I'm saying? And that makes it look so much more aggressive from the back. Y'all really just gotta wait till I pull it out in the sun for real to see it for real. But yeah, I really wanted it gloss black, but hey, it's cool. This ain't gloss black, but it's alright. I don't even feel like spray painting. But man, we finna go ahead and get ready to put it on. This is, y'all know my other one fell off. Let me show y'all the other one. The other one right here, man. This the old one right here. As y'all can see, it fell off. We're gonna use the screws from out of here. Oh shit. Thank fucking God we got some goddamn help. Y'all nigga took all damn day. Finally, God. Man, he bullshit. Alright, so we finna get the Wickerbill put on too, man. While we getting the front splitters put on. Bro, make my whole great, fool. Bro, going on, bro.
Chill out, fool. Chill out, fool. Chill out.
Going on, bro.
You fucking on my tempo, bro.
How deep you went in?
You fucking on my tempo, bro.
My bad, my bad. Come on.
Alright, bro.
Lock in.
Bro, alright, bro. Alright, chill out, fool. Chill out.
The fuse leaning, fool. What you do?
Who?
You.
Nigga, I ain't doing shit, nigga.
Man, come on, bro. Hey, old ass nigga fools just sitting in the nigga yard eating food, watching niggas and shit. I got going on, fool. Sitting in my yard watching me and shit, fool. I finna get me some McDonald's too, though.
Talk shit.
Yeah. Alrighty, so we got all our mods on. It's time for a wash, but y'all see, man, got the Wickerbill on. We fixed up the diffuser a little bit. We bolted it in, actually. Y'all see, I got them 2 screws right there because them clips down there was not the best. But we got the diffuser in. Got the Wickerbill. And we got the front splitter on. You can see. No, I know I didn't record too much of the process up because just too much going on. You know, when you're working on cars, you're a YouTuber trying to record and work on a car, it's hard. I guess we'll see y'all when we put the side decal on. Alrighty, man, so as y'all can see, man, with a little more light, here goes the back end. That looks so much aggressive. Look at that, y'all. Y'all can see, man, we got the tips, the diffuser, the Wickerbill. We threw the 392 badge on there as well. And here goes a little bit on the front side. As y'all can see, the front splitter. And yeah, now we gotta wait to put the biggest of it all, our big decal right here. So yo, YouTube, man, we got the wrap in. As y'all can see, I done already started cleaning the car. I got my magnets on. I'm finna get ready to put it on. I'm finna show y'all the decal, but right now I'm in a rush because I'm trying to beat the daylight and I'm trying to hurry up and get started while the car is clean in that area since I'm doing this outside. But I'm finna go show y'all the decal real quick. So here goes the decal. As y'all can see, man, it says exotic Trelly. It's kind of hard to see on here, but hey, when it's on the car, of course you're gonna see it better. But with that being said, let's go ahead and get to it. This is gonna be a hard process for me to record with it being just me and stuff, man. So, and plus trying to hurry up and get it done, it's gonna be hard for me to record, y'all. But hey though, look. But y'all look though. Y'all see, man, we got the little fanny pack on folk, boy. You know, yeah, y'all understand me. So as y'all can see, man, this is how it looks on so far. We figured to go ahead and stamp it on there for sure. So man, as y'all can see, man, first up is just to half set it. Once you half set it, what you're gonna do is grab your backing knife right here. See, with the backing knife, I'm gonna just cut through the paper, cut this paper off, and then pull this up and lay it down. So I got the magnets like under here holding it to stop it from falling down. But like I said, man, we gotta hurry up before it get dark, and we gotta hurry up so no dust won't get up on here. Cool. Once you got this first top set, what you gonna do? A young nigga cannot talk. Once you got this first part of it set, now what I can do is pull my magnets off and pull the rest of it off slowly, and let the paper hold it since I ain't got no other person to hold it for me. Alright, like I said, yeah, I'm sorry that I ain't got no camera person right now. Now, this is gonna be harder than any other thing because this is a wide body, so there's gonna be a lot of tension right here on the wide body. Like I said, y'all, this is a wide body, so right here, this is where the trouble is gonna come in it. So what I'm probably gonna have to honestly do is pull my transfer tape off to get this off right here. We finna see. I gotta work my magic. Alright, so YouTube, that's how we looking, man. This right here was the hard part because you literally had to split it between the wide body and the flare, and you don't want to show too much paint. But I did this split pretty nice. Now what we finna do is tuck it into the door where I just cut it. So yeah, I'm finna show me doing it. Alright, so what y'all wanna do, man, just heat up your edge, just like that. Look, the fat finger around your corner, do your corner first. Look at that. That corner look pretty nice. Then just do the rest of it. So you don't get no wrinkles on your corners. Your fat finger. You know what I'm saying? And look, just like that. This side, now let's do the door. You can just get it around there just a little bit. Just a little bit. Then you're gonna heat it. See, this right here, you gotta get no heat on for real. You go ahead and wrap this on around. But it's your corners which you wanna heat it on. So you don't get no wrinkles. Heat it. Fat finger it. And just like that. This decal here, y'all, is done. Alright, y'all, so I ain't gonna need to lie to y'all. I got mixed emotions on it. So when I look at it from a distance with a dog cut, it doesn't look that bad. I don't know. It might be this great with my great. I don't know. Oh, it don't look that bad. I don't know. It don't look that bad from a distance. I don't know. Nah, I like it. I like it. I like it. Alright, YouTube, I'm locked in, y'all. This shit push straight. It's really because this wide body, y'all. Like, the wide body makes this. Plus the transfer paper. Transfer paper is not meant for curves. Like I promise, bro. Very locked in. I know, like I said, the wide body flare is the hardest part. Look at all this tension that you got built up. But all this tension, you gotta cut it. So I'm gonna cut the edge of the wide body flare, hoping that this wrap just follow up in there. So with that being said, let's cut. Get your trail blade, you know what I'm saying? Right there. Now you see my blade, it ain't sharp for real. So let's sharpen it on. You see how I made that? So that means my blade ain't as sharp. It feels sharper when I did this. But we're just gonna fix that real quick. And let's sharpen up my blade. So in my rhythm while I was in on cutting. Y'all see I'm staying along the wide body flare. Uh-oh, we getting a little stuck here. Let's push it down. So now first, let's get your wide body part laid first. And we get that out like that. Alright. You want to stay here in the middle of the door so you can split this evenly so you won't see your original color. So I'm gonna just ride it around the door evenly down. Now, if you're doing a full wrap, you'll do the edge of the door instead. All right, y'all. So here y'all go, man. Like I said, it's nighttime, so you really can't see it for real. But yeah. There goes this side, y'all. I don't know. Y'all might gotta see it in the morning for real. But yeah. With that being said, YouTube, I will show y'all in the morning. See y'all in daytime, whatever. Alright, y'all, so we at the car wash, man. Finna get the car wash, and I'm gonna show y'all the decal. I just washed in a minute, so yeah. And how about one fast shit? Yo, we back in some more fast shit. You know what I'm saying? I know you looking very spectacular. Yeah. Alright, so YouTube, man, we washed up. And look, here go y'all the decal, man. Let me know. Like I say, the other one that I got coming, it's literally the same thing, but the other one I got coming, y'all, it's gonna be way bigger. Like that big gonna go from the top to the bottom of the door. And here goes the other side, man. Drive that bit and neutral that bit.
I really got the wheel though. You ain't just see me get
Man, hit that bit! Hit that bit!
Man, drive.
Hit that bit up! Alright.
How y'all like came? I ain't gonna lie, you two. I did not update y'all, but y'all see we got a Grinch costume on. I forgot to update y'all.
Keep going. Hit that bit, you leave it on.
Yes. Neutral that bit out of there, fool.
Man, hit that bit.
Neutral that bit out of there.
Man, hit that bit.
They don't do the shit for the bread. Just cause they lost the bro, they gon' hit some shit